quick setup for your sound settings in your Samsung TV. So click the home button in your remote and go to settings. And from the settings, go to sound. And from the sound, you'll have the option to choose the sound output. Right now, it is set up currently in a TV speaker. And you can also change the sound mode from standard, adaptive sound, or you can amplify it. Right now it is set up on standard. And another option is for sound output. So I'm just showing you right now it is on TV speaker, but you can connect an optical wire like usually the speakers have it, or the Bluetooth. So if you have Bluetooth speakers, it's gonna be here. It's gonna show up on the Bluetooth speaker list, and you will have to pair it. And then going back to that output, again you have that optical option. And then from there you can also check the expert settings. Well, right now I'm just this is the Wi-Fi speaker surround sound, which I'm not using, but if you go to the expert settings, this is where you can find and change settings for your sound output. So you have the HDMI eARC mode, the digital output audio format, which is in auto right now, or there's a sound feedback. There you can also reset the sound if you want to reset it to the original settings from when you bought the TV. So again, this is the sound settings for your Samsung Smart TV. And I'm just going to show you quickly what options are you're going to see on the expert settings, which is you can balance, there's woofer and equalizer, the HDMI eARC mode, and more.